Rich, how's that going? Richard. Tap it, tap it.
Hey.
He just hits all the buttons. Are you too funny? Hey, Rich. Is that fun? Yeah? Oh, are you gonna get off now?
He's done now.
No.
Nope, not done.
Put your feet up.
He's not really smiling, he's just chilling. He's just content.
Rich, is that fun? He's putting him to sleep. What are you saying?
I swear he knows he's being taped.
Are you funny? Looks like you're taking a poop to me. Did you see him squeezing?
Huh? That's why he's thinking about getting off and changed his mind.
Hey, what are you doing? Mama. Nice job. Good job. Come here, give me a kiss. Oh. Is that you being recorded? How about that? Who's in there? Who's in there? You gonna give Mom a kiss? Don't touch it. Wanna give the mommy a kiss? Don't touch. No kiss. Can I have a kiss?
Oh, how embarrassing. Embarrassing, Rich. That's gonna come back in 10 years and bite you in the butt. Don't show your friends.